This is Looking Forward for Astronomy 100 for Thursday, the 13th of March, 2014. As you get ready for class tomorrow, I would like you to read unit number 52 out of your book. And I'd like you to think about a couple of different things. First of all, I'd like you to think about being at a party. When you're at a party, think about numbers of people. Imagine that you are in a really, really large group of people. Not just 5, maybe 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 people. What are the odds that all those people stay together, stuck together, for the entire time? Or is it possible, probable, that some of these groups of people may go off on their own, doing their own thing? Second of all, imagine the reverse situation. What happens if you're alone at a party? Feel happy, comfortable, a little bit awkward? In that circumstance, imagine what happens if another person that you know comes up to you. Do you just throw them away? Or do the two of you tend to stick together? Now, in these two circumstances, what I really want to know is, which is the most stable? If you have lots and lots and lots of people together, is that a stable situation, or is it more stable to break up into smaller individual groups? And likewise, if we're talking about small numbers of things, is it more stable to be off on your own? Or once you find a prospective person to be with, is that more stable? That's part one. The second thing I'd like you to think about is related to that idea of stability. And I want you to think about how the energy of something may relate to its stability. And probably the way to think of this is, if I'm going to break something up, and I want to consider the amount of energy it takes to break up a group, does the energy go up or down if I'm trying to break up a more stable group? In other words, if I'm trying to break up a stable group, does that take more or less energy? Is it to break that up than to break up an unstable group? We'll talk about this idea of energy and stability of small number and large number systems when we get together tomorrow. See you then.